Alright, so we finally got our package in. Been a long time coming. Decided to order it about a week ago. It's the 225X. It is the AC/DC TIG with pulse. Very excited to learn TIG welding, mainly for aluminum. So let's just get into the unboxing and hopefully be able to strike up an arc on this video. Start off the bat, looks like we've got an owner's manual. Man, this looks really well packed. Looks like some parts in my lens kit. Okay, well, we'll wait on that. So we got a little package damage, but nothing too bad. Trying to get this out. Man. That is substantial. Cool. Alright, as you can see, we've got this on this Harbor freight cart, Vulcan. Got another one on my Hobart, or I got my Hobart on another one, and I like them. They're pretty basic. Seem to hold up fairly well anyway. So you can see right on the front, got all the different settings. Now this is one of the more budget-friendly AC/DC TIG machines, and I have little experience, but just judging by my years, using stuff, these don't feel of the highest quality. They don't feel gritty. They don't feel super tight. I think they'll be fine. From what I understand is Primeweld has a fantastic warranty, so if I have any issues, I'm not concerned with it. See, now that one doesn't feel bad. Neither does that one. Still no grit to them. That one feels a little off. But these first three right here, they just feel kind of loose, but I mean, no big deal. Just, wanted to share what I'm seeing. Switches engage pretty hard, pretty good. I like that they're very tactile. So let's see what extras we got in here. First one. Well, oh, isn't that nice? They sent us a little mask. I'm assuming this is the regulator for the gas. It is. Okay. Primeweld brand. It seems solid. I mean, it's very stout. It's brass. Get rid of that. Looks like we've got our, is it called a stinger? Is that right? For our stick welder. That seems kind of, I don't know. Well, maybe it's okay. Seems kind of, maybe it's supposed to be that stiff. I don't know. Got our gas line, ground, and our foot pedal. Got that. Here's my little lens kit I bought extra. Got a couple little consumables in there. Converter to 110, which is pretty cool. Some kind of switch, maybe to go on the torch. Not 100% on that. Let's look at this. It is a CK Worldwide. Supposedly they're decent. I have no idea. Okay. I don't know. Yeah, it looks like a TIG torch. So looks like we got a little stubby end cap in there too. Got a sticker. Always like stickers. All right, so let me get all this organized, and then we'll see if we can't get an arc going. Well, I don't know, not really great, I don't think, but kind of cool. Just practicing. You gotta start somewhere, right? I don't know what the quality of that is, but it looks decent. But there's not a whole lot of material on there. Let's do another one. So that is funky looking. Definitely gonna need some more practice, but it's cool to actually be able to do it. All right, so I'm gonna see if I can get these two together and see if they'll hold. We'll see what happens. Looks pretty cool. Really crappy, but man, it's exciting. It's a lot of fun. Let's see what kind of strength that has. So it's got some strength to it. Let's try this way. Okay, so it's definitely fixed. I don't know if it's any kind of has any kind of structural integrity, but man, that is super cool. I'm so excited. So here's my welds. You want to give me some comments, what I should do differently, any settings I need to change. I'm learning. This is my first time ever TIG welding, so let me know.